Hello folks, welcome you to the Tools Hub. Today, we're diving into a world where tools and inventions push the limits of human creativity. Get ready to be inspired, let's jump right in. Joystick-controlled machines look like they came straight out of a sci-fi movie. But they're real, and they're revolutionizing manufacturing. Even complex tasks are now as easy as flicking your wrist. True plant care starts at the roots. This tool ensures that everything from the trunk to the tips of the branches gets the care it needs. See the Works Universal Wheelbarrow in action. This is the kind of tool that deserves a place in every workshop or warehouse. Do-it-yourself sealing? Absolutely. This method proves not only doable, but quick and efficient. The right equipment not only helps, it changes the job. Difficult tasks suddenly become within reach. Say goodbye to muddy messes. This powerful water broom makes yard cleaning quick and easy. Drilling large holes in hardwood beams? No problem. This powerful tool cuts through hardwood with ease and leaves a clean, precise finish. With this specialized equipment, lifting a car becomes simple and safe. Take a close look, and you will understand its true scale. One wrong cut can ruin the whole project, but with the ADA magnetic protractor, you no longer have to worry. There are moments when words fall short, so sit back, relax, and let your eyes witness something truly special. Making a fishhook is not as easy as you might think. It requires jewelry-like craftsmanship and patience that few people possess. This cordless vibrator is the ideal construction worker's companion. No messy cords, no hassle, just consistent performance every time. Keep an eye on this device. You will soon realize how useful it is. Once you see it in action, you will wonder why you didn't have it before. This space-saving pot rack folds up when not in use, but don't let its size fool you. It's sturdy enough to hold up to hot pots and pans, and it's perfect for small kitchens. Frequently work in a kneeling position? These high-quality knee pads from DLT are the ideal solution. Your knees will feel the difference immediately. This tube cutter makes every cut clean and smooth, the crisp, clean feel of biting into an apple. It's a bold way to get high. It looks cool, but don't let looks fool you. It's not safe to try it yourself. If snow in the yard is getting you down every morning, this snowblower will take care of it in no time. Just fire it up and tackle winter with ease. This technique sharpens circular saw blades with incredible speed and precision. It breathes new life into the saw blade, making it ready to cut through heavy materials. Now you have seen the process of creating these exquisite decorative panels. With a little skill and effort, you can have a product beautiful enough to appear in the press. Take a closer look. You'll be surprised at how easy it is to create this tool. With it, painting walls becomes seamless and incredibly efficient. Detecting problems in your sewer lines is easier than ever. With this device, you get fast and reliable results in just a few minutes. Quickly collect gravel or crushed rock with this practical tool. No mess, no hassle, just clear results. Sometimes no words are needed. Just see this tool in action, and you'll understand why it's special. When bulky equipment is not an option, this compact tool is your best friend for precise wood joint installation. The results speak for themselves: clean, precise, and perfect. Think hammering a nail is hard? Not with this tool. Watch to see how simple it is. Even if you are not a seasoned mason, this tool will help you get the job done right. The joints will be neat, smooth, and professional. Like magic on old stones, this tool easily brings back the shine and beauty. Worn paths look like new under your feet. Repairing metal parts for future work doesn't have to be a chore. The key is choosing the right tools. The Makita 18V rebar tie tool with extension handle makes your work easier. If you work in this industry, this is a must-have. Small but mighty on the roof. This tool works like magic. On the roof, it feels like you have extra hands helping you get the job done quickly and efficiently. The seam between ceiling and wall is so smooth you'd think it was guided by a supernatural hand. This isn't paint anymore, it's precision art. Even the surface seems to appreciate it. Say goodbye to the hassle of scrubbing paintbrushes. With this clever tool, cleaning becomes much easier, faster, and more economical. The process of making a cone is magical. From a soft dough, it transforms into a perfectly crispy shell, ready to hold your favorite scoop of ice cream. This is dessert making at its finest. Framing a picture may seem easy at first glance, but getting every angle just right and every surface smooth requires real finesse. Simple on the outside, elaborate on the inside. The Daewoo 16V battery-powered branch trimmer is working powerfully. This is the ideal tool for you to prune and care for the trees in your yard. Like a childhood memory hidden in the coffee break. This fun device, designed like a ship's propeller, stirs coffee and stirs up smiles. Painting walls used to require practice. Now it just takes the right tools. Even beginners can paint as evenly and beautifully as a professional. If you haven't used an XGT80V tool yet, you're missing out. This beast makes cutting concrete feel like cutting through warm butter. This is a true working saw. Clean cut, no snags, and no knots to stop it. With the right tools, making clean, precise holes in wood is no problem. And once you get the hang of it, you'll get perfect results every time. Designed to assist with upper body work, the Exoactive is a battery-powered exoskeleton. Sanding ceilings with the Planax will be a lot less tiring with this device. This cement mortar machine is a breakthrough in construction. It makes mortar dissolving easier than ever. What used to take hours now takes just minutes. It is entirely possible to lay concrete by hand, but with the right machinery, you will have less fatigue and a perfect surface every time. Welcome to the ideal closet. Forget struggling with high hangers. Just lower the bar and everything is as neat as it gets. It's a triumph of engineering. It reaches places you'd never want to put your hand in, like wiping the back of a screen without removing it. Thank you for watching our video. Hope you found useful tools for yourself. We wish you have a good day. Goodbye and see you again.